how would a small business owner even know where the hell to go to check this kind of stuff?
Yeah, so we started at the top of the hour speaking about the various buckets that compliance is typically divided into at the state level. You've got your entity registration, your licenses, and you've got your tax registrations. And that is a pattern that's repeated many places. But here's the catch. Generally, no matter where you go, none of those agencies responsible for those types of registrations communicate with one another. There's not a lot of proactive discussion amongst these departments of the state to say, hey, I've got an entity registration here. Therefore, tax department, Department of Revenue, you should know that a tax registration is coming. Or, professional licensing agency, you should know that a license is coming your way. There's not a lot of that internal collaboration. So the answer to your question, Mike, is they don't know. The client, or rather the firm that's getting registered, it's on them. It's incumbent upon the registrant to figure out what regulations apply to them in those jurisdictions. And in many cases, that means somebody has to figure it out. Call the state, sit on hold, ask their questions, hope to get through to somebody who's knowledgeable enough to direct them to departments other than their own that they'll need to speak to. And in many cases, we see this all the time because we submit filings in such large volumes. The responses that we get from the states are not intentionally unhelpful, but they're barred from giving legal advice on a whim when clients ask for it or when registrants ask for it. So it can be really difficult for folks to navigate it. That when the best sort of answer that they can get from a regulatory authority is, hey, you're going to have to call this other agency. Good luck.